Hello everybody, welcome back to the Racing Brick channel. Today I'm going to be building the LEGO Speed Champions 2021 Ford GT Heritage Edition and Bronco R. Jeez, I cannot speak. Anyway, this set is number 76905 and has 660 pieces. Anyway, let's open the box up. It's make it bumpy, guys. My tripod, so. Anyway, I love the Bronco R. This is a good off-roading car we have had in a while. Besides the Lamborghini Urus, my opinion is better. And the Ford GT, I'm so glad they made it. And it's even cooler in the old Golf gas station colors. See, it's a Heritage Edition. There's the real version of Bronco R and Ford GT. Anyway, there's the engines you can see there. I'll get onto this in blue pieces as the anti-roll bar cage. Anyway, let's open this up and see what there is inside of here. I always use brick separators when opening these types of videos because I like to save these boxes. Okay, there is big giant Bronco R. Lovely that they actually made some flat books and they're all crumpled. The Ford GT, and here's the Bronco R stickers, Ford GT stickers, one bag, 4, 5, just 5 bags, cool. 3 and 2, so 1, 2, 3 is Bronco R apparently. Anyway, enjoy the video.
Enchanté.
This is the review section where I review the sets. Anyway, here I have the Ford Bronco R. This is a really nice set, and this is one of the best off-roading looking Lego cars ever. It was the most challenging I ever built so far, besides Lego Technic. Anyway, it comes with 4 big giant tires and 2 ones right here. And anyway, the lights in the back right here are really nice addition. And if you take the cover off, it just pops off and it keeps the wheel in place. Anyway, here's the roll bar cage I was talking about, just the things. And there's no windscreen, obviously, because this is a really nice off-roading car. And then the seats are really nice, and there's a nice gear shifting and buttons, and the minifigure is really nice for Bronco. Female driver, and it comes with additional face all over it, and it comes with the hair piece in here, which is really also nice. I'm trying to put them in there. Kind of it's hard to put it back on. Anyway, the front looks really nice too. It looks like you can just plow right through anything. And the Bronco, this is Bronco, and the R is red, so it's Bronco R. And this game actually, this Lego car is actually going to be in this game at Forza Horizon 5, which is coming out in Mexico if you want to know. And you'll be able to drive this thing, not the Lego version. If you want to drive Lego cars, you can drive Forza Horizon 4, which is also really cool. Anyway, that's about it for this car, and it's really nice. And for the Ford GT Heritage Edition, it's really nice. And look at the minifigure here. It's a male minifigure with one face. Hairpiece looks cool, and like I said, the Gulf colors again are really nice. Also comes up with the white helmet. Anyway, the front, it looks really cool. I like how they printed this, but the lines don't exactly match up, which is a disappointment. This moves up and down, and if you pop this off, this is just underneath it. So they got lazy. I guess the designers got lazy towards the end, or like, oh, we gotta release this soon. So yeah, but you can still see really nice empty holes. Like the real 4 GT, but it's just for downforce and airflow. This is just a giant windscreen piece, goes right off in the steering wheel, and is nice also. Somehow I don't know how to these. They just sit right in there. Anyway, I think I put the seats back wrong, but this is really nice. It kind of curves in the back, and the back looks pretty accurate as well. The 2 lights, one on either side, and the license display is really nice too. And you can see the engine there too. And this year, unlike this Bronco R, the instructions have you build it from bottom to all the way to the top. And now, like more of like the Bronco Ford GT Heritage Edition, it starts you from the back and builds you all the way up to the back, and starts moving. It doesn't gradually get taller; it just moves you side to side, which is fine. But they look really nice. Also, it comes with extra additional pieces like wheel pieces, and this is cool too because the wheels. You see me, I didn't have to take the wheels off, which is really nice. And you can see the little dots in there. That I don't know if you can see that, but for brakes, it's really nice also. Anyway, that's about it for this little Lego speed build and review today. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below which speed champion set do you want me to be next, because I have the McLaren Elva, the Jesco, and the Toyota Super GR coming because of double VIP points. Anyway, like I said, please do that, and we'll see you next time. Bye.